SEFPRO GUARD Regenerator Monitoring is a cloud-based solution. This solution allows to take pictures of the checker packs. A camera is installed on each regenerative chamber wall, goes inside the chamber once a day, takes a picture. This picture is sent to the cloud, where an algorithm analyzes the images. This image is transferred to a clogging map, which is available on a web platform. The clogging evolution along the time allows the customer to follow the regenerator health. The main benefits of this solution is first to give the customer a tool to extend the regenerative chamber lifetime, and then be able to optimize the operating cost of maintenance.